One statement, I don't use chart patterns, indicators in my chart. Why? Before I'll tell you why, I'll ask you the same question to you. Why you are using it? To find the two important answers from the chart. One, which location you want to enter into the trade, which direction you want to take your position, right? Take any of your indicators, pivot points, Fibonacci, Gann. These indicators will gives you the location for your trade. And take other set of indicators like MACD, Bollinger Band, moving average. These indicators will gives you which trend is currently happening and which side you want to take a trade. But I don't use both type of indicators. The reason is I'm using a logical trading system which requires no indicators, which requires no chart patterns. I'll also explain why I'm not using a chart patterns. Chart patterns are differ from a person to person. I'll explain in this video. So this was a study about chart patterns. I have shared Nifty 3-minute chart on Jan 12, 2022 to 5 price action trader, and I'll ask them to come up with the patterns on the particular chart. So trader 1, he comes up with a trend line where he has seen a particular trend line is happening in this chart, and one more person who comes up with finding the channel pattern in this chart, and one more guy who comes up with a triangle pattern in it, and one more person who comes with some breakout kind of a patterns forming in this particular chart, and one more person who comes with a regression channel pattern. So here I'm not going to tell you which one is right, which one is wrong. I'm just nobody. So the point is everyone is seeing different pattern in the same chart. Not everyone is seeing the same pattern in the chart like as you've seen. Everyone has their own views. Chart patterns is something subjective to people. So I don't use chart pattern. I don't use indicator which driven by the formula. I use logical trading system. What is it, logical trading system? This system doesn't require any indicator, pattern or any sort of data. This system is actually analyzing the other traders' decision and emotion. Based on that, I'll take my decision. How I am understanding other traders' decision and emotions. I have explained this whole concept in this particular video. I'll give you the link here so that you can go ahead and watch it. Stock market is a zero-sum game. You take money from me, I'll take money from you. This is what. So understanding where the other peoples are going to get trapped is one of the key aspect in the logical trading system. Once you find out those information from your chart, you will be a good trader and definitely a profitable trader. I welcome you to understand logical trading system. See you next time.